back to Gurudeva Online 6th Standard Mathematics class. I am Niranjan HM. Today we are going to discuss about tests for divisibility of numbers. Let us start from divisibility by 10. What is the statement or what is the condition of divisibility by 10? A number is divisible by 10 if the digit in the ones place is 0. This is the condition. Ones place must be occupied by 0. Okay? Observe first example. The first example is 4920. Second example 2470. Third example 7650. Observe here Choto, ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 and 1000 place. Observe only ones place. See, observe only ones place. Ones place occupied by 0. So if ones place occupied by 0 in a given number, you conclude that, you may decide yourself, it passes the divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10 is nothing but if we divide 2470 or 4920 divided by 10, you will get remainder 0. Are you clear, Choto? You will get a remainder 0. 7650 divided by 10. Remainder is 0. So, these numbers, this type of numbers passes the divisibility by 10 condition. Okay, Choto? You may divide, just you may feel yourself. Divisibility by 5. Okay? A number is divisible by 5 if the digit in the ones place is 0 or 5. Here there are two options, 0 or 5. In which place? Ones place. Okay? Ones place. Observe first example 4920. Okay, next example, I change the number 4925. It is also passes the divisibility by 5. It is also passes the divisibility by 5. So, according to the condition, ones place must be 0 or 5. Observe here, this ones place, here it is 0, here it is 5. One more example, third example, 3445. Choto, 4920 divided by 5, you will get 0 is the remainder. 3445, you will get 0 is the remainder. So finally you conclude that these numbers passes the divisibility by 5. Any number is end by 0 or 5, you decide yourself that particular number passes the divisibility by 5. Okay? If here is 0, it passes the divisibility by 10. So it's a very easiest concept. Okay, Choto? Let us observe divisibility by 2. Condition is a number is divisible by 2 if the digit in the ones place is an even number. Which are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are all the even numbers. If any number is end by 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, that particular number, given number is divided by 2. Okay, divide by 2. Let us observe example. First example is 4972. It passes the divisibility by 2 because ones place, observe here, ones place occupies the even number. Ones place occupies the even number. That's why you may decide yourself, it passes the divisibility by 2 condition. Okay, next. Second example, 9768. Because ones place, here it is, ones place is 0, ones place is 8, here ones place is 2. Need not to worry about rest of the places, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, need not to discuss, need not to think about rest of the places. You must think about only ones places. If ones places occupied by even number, you may decide yourself that whole number is divided by 2. I mean, it means you will get a remainder 0. Okay, Choto? One more example. 660 passes the divisibility by 2 because ones place occupies the digit 0. 0 is one of the even number. That's why the given number 660 is passes the divisibility by 2 rule. Clear, Choto? Yes. Let us discuss about rest of the divisibilities. Divisibility by 3. Observe here, very important concepts. Observe very carefully, listen very carefully. Choto, divisibility by 3 condition is a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. Choto, observe here, I'll take an example. 342. Is 342 divisible by 3 or not? Let us check out. How do we check out? The method is sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. I mean, observe here, 3 plus 4 plus 2. What is the sum? 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Okay, Choto? Is 9 multiple of 3? Of course, 3 is a multiple of 3. 9 is a multiple of 3 because 3 3 is 9. So you may decide yourself. 342 is the divisibility by 3. I think you have understood. One more example. I'll change the number. Observe here. 341. Just you may think yourself. Does it follow the divisibility rule 3 or not? How do we check out? Take a number and add all numbers. Observe here. Which are the number here? 3 plus 4 plus 1. What is the sum? We need to find out the first sum. Okay. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. Is 8 multiple of 3? In the table 3, but 8 comes. Does it comes? No. So it doesn't passes the divisibility rule by 3. Okay, Choto. What we want to do? If you want to check out the divisibility by 3, just you may add all numbers. If the sum is multiple of 3, I mean the sum is divisible by 3, that whole number is divisible by 3. I'll take one more example. 27. Observe 27. Does it follow the divisibility rule 3? Let us check out. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. Is 9 passes the is 9 multiple of 3? Of course, it is a multiple of 3. That's why the 27 is passes the divisibility rule by 3. Are you clear, Choto? It is also divisibility by 3. It is also divisibility by 3. But it is not divisibility by It is not divisibility by 3. I hope you have understood. Take all numbers, add it. The sum must be multiple of the given digit 3. Okay. Then if the sum is multiple of 3, the whole number is divisible by 3. Okay, Choto. Let us move divisibility by 6. What is the condition of divisibility by 6? A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. What is the condition? Observe here. I'll take an example. First example is 422. 422. Is passes the rule divisibility by 6. Does it divide by 6 properly? Let us check out. How do we check out? Dear Choto, there are two important steps. The first step is, does it passes the divisibility by 2, and second step is, does it passes the given number is passes the divisibility by 3. If passes 2 and 3, then you may decide yourself the given number is divisible by 6. Let us check out. What is the rule of 2? Divisibility by 2. One's place must be occupied by even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, observe here one's place. Yes, here is one's place occupied by even number 2. So it passes the divisibility by 2 rule. Okay, the first step is clear. One more question. Does it passes the divisibility by 3? The given number. What is the step of 3? How do we find out divisibility by 3? Like this. Add the given number. Let us check out. 4 plus 2 plus 2. What is the sum total? Observe here, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Is 8 multiple of 3? Is 8 multiple of 3? I mean in the 3 table, 8 comes? No. So it is not passes the divisibility by 3 rule. So you may decide yourself, the whole number doesn't passes the divisibility by 6. What is the condition? If passes 2 rules. Which are the 2 rules? Divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3. This given number, if passes the divisibility by 2 rule. Yes, it passes the divisibility by 2 rule. Divide by 2, it is possible. But it is not possible. The given number not possible by 3. So that's why you may decide yourself, the given number 422 is not divided by 6. Okay, Chotto, let us take one more example. So finally we conclude that 422 is not divided by 6. Because you know the reason. Okay, let us check out. Let us take one more example. 900. Okay, I'll take 344. Is 344 passes the divisibility by 6? Let us check out. First step is we need to find out divisibility by 2. Second step is divisibility by 3. First step is, yes, what is the rule of divisibility by 2? Even number. If the given number one's place occupies the even number, you may decide yourself, it passes the divisibility by 2. Yes, it passes the divisibility by 2. Second step is divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 3. 3 plus, while you are checking divisibility by 3, you must add the given number. 3 plus 4 plus 4. What is the sum? 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. Okay? Is the multiple 11 is the multiple of 3? Of course it is not. So that's why it is not passes the divisibility by 3. So you may conclude it does passes. You may conclude yourself, it is not passes the 2 steps. That's why the whole given number is not passes the divisibility by 6. It is not passes the divisibility by 6. I hope you have understood divisibility by 6. Let us check out one more example. 300, I'll take 244. Is it passes divisibility by 6? First step is divisibility by 2. We need to check out divisibility by 2. Yes, 244. One's place is occupies the digit 4. Yes, 4 is the even number, so it passes the divisibility by 2. First step has cleared. Next step is by 3. Let us check out how do we find out the by 3. Add the all numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 4. 2 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to, what is the sum? 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. Okay, I'll change the number. I'll take 4. Observe here. 4 plus 4 plus 4. What is the sum? Total sum is 12. Is 12 multiple of 3 in the table 3? Does 12 comes? Yes, of course it comes. So it passes the divisibility by 3. If it passes divisibility by 2 and also divisibility by 3, you may decide yourself, the whole given number is passes the divisibility by 6. I hope you have understood. Okay, Choto? Yes, I will move next example, next rule, divisibility by 4. What is the rule or what is the condition of divisibility by 4? A number is divisible by 4 if the number followed by its last 2 digits is also divisible by 4. So we need to last 2 digits is nothing but ones and tens. Let us take an example. 9,312. Last 2 digits is nothing but ones and tens. Observe, 12 is 12 in the table 4. Does 12 comes? Yes, it is possible. That's why the given number is, whole number is passes the divisibility by 4 rule. If it is not possible, it is not passes the whole number is not passes the divisibility by 4. Let us take one more example. 9311. Does it passes the divisibility by 4 rule? How do we check out? Chotul, consider last two digit 11. Is 11 comes in the table 4? No, it is not possible. That's why whole number is not passes the divisibility by 4. If passes the last two digit, whole number is passes. If not passes the, it's not holds good in the divisibility by 4 last two digit, you may consider whole number also not passes the divisibility by 4 rule. I hope you have understood. According, what is the condition? Divisibility by 4 is last two digits. Consider last two digits. Let us discuss about divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Last 3 digits, point to be noted, last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Let us take an example. They chose 1104. Let us take 2104 is an example. Okay. Does it passes the divisibility by 8 or not? How do we check out? They chose to consider last 3 digits. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. It becomes 104. 104 divided by 8. Divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8. So 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. Bring down 4. 8 3 ja 24. Here is 0. Yes, last 3 digits divide by 8 and we got a remainder 0. It indicates 2104 passes the divisibility by 8. I hope you have understood. Observe here, I will change the number 2103. Okay, Choto? Observe here. 104 last 3 digits. Which are the last 3 digits here? 1 tens 100. Last 3 digits. Consider last 3 digits. It become 103. Divide by 8. Okay, observe here. 8 1 ja 8. Here is 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. Bring down 3. 8 how much ja 23? No, 23. That's why 8 2 ja 16. Choto, observe here, 3 minus 6 it is not possible. That's why you may take a borrow. 13. 13 minus 6 is equals to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Totally 7. Here 1. It becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Observe here, Choto, we got a remainder 7. Not 0. So, you consider yourself, you may decide yourself, 2103 is not divisible by 8, but 2104 is divisible by 8. Okay, Choto, have you understood? Let us consider one more example. 44,929. 44,929. How do we check out the divisibility by 8? Last 3 digits 929. Observe here, we will take 929. Divide by 8, Choto. Okay? Divide by 8. Divide by 8. 8 1 ja 8. 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. Bring down the digit, another digit 12. So 9, how much are 12? 9 2 ja 16. It's too bigger. That's why we take 9 1 ja. Sorry, 8 1 ja 8 2 ja 16. So that's why you take 8 1 ja 8. 12 minus 8 is equals to 4. Bring down another digit, that is 9. So 49. 8. How much of 49? They choto 8 6 ja 48. 8 7 just too bigger. So 8 6 ja 48. So 49 minus 48 is equals to 1. Does it divide by 4? Divide by 8? It's not possible. So the remainder is 1, not 0. So you decide yourself. The whole number is not divided by 8 because last 3 digits not divided by 8. That's why you may consider all numbers not divided by 8. So finally it is not satisfied, it is not divisibility by 8. Okay, it is not divisibility by 8. Okay Choto, I hope you have understood. Divisibility by 8 last 3 digits, divisibility by 4 last 2 digits. Okay, let us move divisibility by 8, divisibility by 9. Choto, observe here, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9, like divisibility by 3. Okay, let us check out, let us take example, divisibility by 9, 27. How do we check out 27 is divisible by 9 or not? Dear Choto, you may take a sum 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is equals to, the sum is 9. Is 9 divisible by 9? Is 9 divisible by 9? Of course, observe here, 9 divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9. So the remainder is 0. So it means the 9 is divisible by 9. So we can conclude that, we can say that 27 is passes the divisibility by 9. It passes the divisibility by 9. Let us take another example. 36 is passes the divisibility by 9. Let us check out. How do we check out? Add the given number. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is equals to 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Of course, it passes the divisibility by 9. One more example. 37. Does it passes the divisibility by 9? Let us check out. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. Is 10 divisible by, divided by 9? Let us check out. 10 divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9. So the remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Decide all of yourself. It is not divided by the given number. 37 is not divided by 9. So it is not passes the divisibility by 9. Okay Choto, I have taken only 2 digit numbers. You may take 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, whatever it may be. Okay, this is divisibility by 9. Let us discuss about divisibility by 11. Observe here, a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places is a multiple of 11 or 0. Okay, in my single line, difference must be 11 or 0. Other word, multiple of 11. Okay, multiple of 11. Just you may remember these 2 lines. Chota, observe here. Here is an example. 308. Is 300 passes the divisibility rule by 11 or not? How do we check out? You are very well about to know even number and odd numbers. Okay, observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the given set, see, observe here. 1 is the odd number, 2 is the even number, 3 is odd number, 5 is odd number, 7 is odd number, 4 is even number, 6 is even number. Choto, observe, while we are checking the divisibility by 11, you start from right side. Whether it is odd number or even number, it doesn't matter. Just you may start from, you consider as an odd place. Point to be noted, it is actually even number. While you are checking a divisibility by 11, need not to consider odd number or even number. You may consider it is the odd place. Next is even place. Next is odd place. What is the next step? Sum of the digits, odd places. Okay, which are the odd places? 3 and 8 are the odd places. 3 plus 8 is 11. What is the even places? Only one digit, that is 0. What is the difference? Should observe here. 11 minus 0 is equals to 11. Clear? Yes. It is the multiple of 11. The given number is multiple of 11. Finally, we conclude that the given number, which is the given number 308, passes the divisibility rule by 11. Okay, Choto. Next example, 1331. Observe here, you may consider as odd places from right side. Odd, even, like this. Observe here. This is odd place, next even place, odd place, even place. Okay? Whether it is odd or even number, don't consider, just you may consider as a place. Okay? Odd number, which are the odd numbers here? See, 3 and 1. What we need to do? Sum. Okay? 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Next odd even numbers sum. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. What we need to do in the next step? Difference. Difference is nothing but subtraction, minus. Okay. 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. Yes, it passes the divisibility rule by 11 because condition is 11 or 0. The difference must be 11 or 0. Yes, the difference is 0. So that's why we can conclude that the given number 1331 passes the divisibility rule by 11. Next example, observe here, 61,809. 61,809. This is odd place, even, odd. Which are the odd place here? 6, 8, 9. 6 plus 8 plus 9. Dear Choto, observe here. 23, 6. Yes, 809. Yes, 23. Which are the even places? This is even place and also this is also even place. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Next step is, yes, we found a difference, sum. Next step is difference. 23 minus 1. This minus this. Okay. 23 minus 1 is equals to 22. Yes, 22 is a multiple of 11. That's why 61,809 passes the divisibility by 11. Next example. 61,000. I have changed one digit. Observe here. 6180. Here is 9. I have changed the digit in 8. 61,808. 61,808. This is odd place, even place, odd place, even place, odd place. Yes. Which are the odd place? 6, 8, 8. 6 plus 8 plus 8. 6 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to 16, 20, 22. Here is 22. Next, even places are 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Next step is find a difference. 22 minus 1. 22 minus 1 is equals to 21. Is 21 multiple of 11? In the table 11, does 21 comes? No. So that's why the given number is not divisible by 11. Not divisible by 11. It is divisible by 11. It is divisible by 11. It is also divisible by 11. It is not passes the divisibility rule by 11. Okay, I hope you have understood. Chotu, you do hard work. Just you need to do. Watch a video once or twice or thrice. Okay, take example by yourself. Okay, consider, you may take any example. Create a numbers and check the divisibility rules. Divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 11. Okay, it's very easiest examples. You may take easiest example and also the rule is also very easy. Need not to confuse yourself. Watch a video once or twice. You will become too perfect about divisibility rule. Because if you perfect right now, it helps a lot in the higher classes. 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. It helps a lot. So that's why please do hard work. I will meet you in the next class with exercise 3.3. Until practice this, perfect this. Have a nice day. Thank you.